Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to create QR codes for Shopify. Let's get started. In order to do that, what you can do is you can head over in here to our apps at shopify.com, which is our Shopify app store. Now in here, just click on this search bar and then search in here for shop code. Now once you have searched for that, you should be able to see the particular application, the search result. This is that. Just click on that. And then once you click on that, you can see that you can market products and link to checkout with Shopify QR codes. You can use this. So as you can see, it's actually developed with Shopify itself. Click on this install option right here. And then once you have done that, this will actually open this new tab wherein it will ask you for permission in order to actually install it. So click on the install option right here. And then just wait for this to finish the loading process. So this is what the dashboard looks like. Click on this create shop code. And then just name a title. So for example, let's name it hat. And then click on the select product. Now let's select this particular product, which is a hat. Then click on add. And then once you have done that, you should be able to specifically add this particular product. So you can choose the scan destination. It can be a link to a product page or link to checkout page with product in the cart. So let's choose the second one. And then you can choose the variant that you can check it out for this one. So for this, let's choose gray. And you can also apply in here a discount code. You can create discount and all of that. Now you can also include in here in help text. So in here, once you have done that, just head over and click on save. And then once you have done that, the shop code will appear just like this. So let's just wait for this. And as you can see, this now the shop code or the QR code that we have for this particular product. You can head over and download this particular code and then you can send it to people. So that's the whole process. If you have found this video helpful, if you leave a like, below, or subscribe because it helps reach more people. See you soon.